Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create your Zillow account. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.zillow.com and press enter. You will be directly led to this home page, and at the top right, you can see the option sign in. Simply click over there. Now here, if you already have your account, then you can simply enter your credentials and click on sign in. But we are about to create a new account, so we will click on this option. Now here, firstly, we need to enter our email. Likewise, we need to create ourselves a password. After that, you need to click on this option, I am a landlord or industry professional. Now here, you need to fill down some information. That is, you need to choose your category type. After that, you need to enter your first name and your last name. After that, you need to enter your zip/postal number. Likewise, you need to enter your cell number. After you are done filling your credential, you can scroll down and simply click on continue, or else you can connect with your Apple ID if you are an Apple user. Likewise, you can also connect using your Facebook or your Google. Now, after you are done entering your credential, you can simply click on continue, and your Zillow account will be created successfully. And this is how you can create your Zillow account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.